The schools are not places, schools are spaces, psychological spaces, where the perception of a human being is broadened, where the perspective, the world inside the head is broadened. So all learning is actually self-learning. You learn everything inside this space called you. So when you ask who's a guru, the guru is someone who says, "Gee, you are you." The guru brings you to your own magnificence. The guru brings you in touch with your own excellence, with your own presence. And that's what a guru is. The word guru has three meanings, cognate meanings. The first meaning of the word guru is eternal traveler, somebody who never stops. Learning is an eternal journey. The second meaning of the word guru is dispeller of darkness, somebody who brings light when there is darkness. The light of knowledge in the darkness of ignorance. The third meaning of the word guru is somebody who connects you to the whole, the part to the whole. And that's what the word university means. The university is where you become universal. If you go to university and shrink and you don't become universal, then the very rationale for going to the university is lost. The problem is that you go to school and you ask a teacher, what is it that you do? He says, she says, I teach history, I teach geography, I teach chemistry. But if you ask that question, who teaches a student here? And you will invariably hear silence as a response. So nobody is really thought through the fact that just as biology, history, geography, chemistry has complexity and subtlety, so does the learner. A learner is the fundamental reason why you're teaching the subject. So you're not teaching the subject, you're teaching the learner. Now, I have seen that there are three axioms of learning which work. One is nothing can be taught unless it is learned. Number two is you can teach what is far only when you connect what is far to what's near, the current context. The third axiom of learning is that the part has to be connected to the whole. Just take a simple experience that we have all had. I, for instance, would ask some teachers to light a matchstick. Now, if you ask a question, a simple question, what is the source of the fire? And a lot of answers that come from the teachers are, the source of the fire is the chemicals there, it's the friction. It is the matchstick, it is the brain, nature. But nobody says, for instance, that I don't really know what the source of the fire is. Just as I don't know how a black cow eating green grass gives white milk. And so this space of not knowing is the space from where all learning happens. So fundamentally, the part of our experience has to be connected to the whole of the experience of human nature. So this is what we teach here in this Gurukul for Gurus. We teach you how to learn and how to connect learning with your reality, how to solve real life problems. And that's where the relevance of this workshop comes. 11,000 teachers, principals, pathfinders have gone through this program. And I can tell you, the inquisitiveness, the sense of inquiry, the excitement of the learning process that is unleashed in this program is something that you have to experience, to come and sample it, to believe that at the age of 40, when a principal has decided there's nothing more to learn, the principal has so much to refresh, so much to renew. Knowledge is discovery of truth. It is not about doing something. It is about knowing the difference between what is not true and what is true.